Hi, I'm David from Marquis Gardens. I'm here showing you Aquascape's new color changing lights. They have 4 different types of new color changing lights. We will connect them to your 3-way splitters and then going to your hub to your transformer. 3-way splitter and hub. We will first start with your color changing lights, connecting them into your splitter. Make sure the 5-prong matches up with a little notch inside here. Spin that on tight. The second one, open up the cap, put it in, match it up. Then you'll connect your 3-way splitter or just plain light to your hub. Again, same 5-way splitter. Then you'll have Aquascape's transformer connected to your power source. Before you connect your hub to your transformer, you need to sync up your remote to your hub. What you'll do is make sure you have your batteries in here, but press down, make sure your red light's on your power. While pressing down, connect your transformer in and you'll get a green flashing light. Once your green flashing light goes, you are connected to your remote. And then you can play around by pressing power. You can go to warm white or your color changing lights. You can play around with the speed, different modes, all different things, brightness, and that's everything. Thanks.